Setting up and running C++ in Visual Studio Code, VS Code, involves installing necessary extensions and configuring your environment. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. 1. Install C++ compiler. Before you can run C++ code, you need to have a C++ compiler installed on your system. For Windows, you can use MinGW or Visual C++. For macOS, you can use Xcode command line tools. For Linux, you can use GCC. Install MinGW, Minimalist GNU for Windows. Two, install Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already, download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website, Visual Studio Code, code.visualstudio.com/. 3. Install C++ extension for Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the sidebar or pressing Ctrl-Shift-X. Search for C++ and install the official C++ extension provided by Microsoft. This extension provides support for C++ syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, debugging, and more. 4. Create a C++ project. Create a new folder for your C++ project on your local machine. Open VS Code and open the folder you just created by selecting File, Open Folder from the menu. Write C++ code. Inside your project folder, you'll find the source file you created earlier, e.g. main.cpp. Open this file in VS Code. Write your C++ code in the source file. For example, cpp include iostream int main, hello world, hello endl, return 0. After running the C++ program, you should see the output in the terminal. In this example, it would be, hello world. That's it. You've successfully set up and run C++ in Visual Studio Code. You can continue developing your C++ projects in VS Code using its various features and extensions. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, feel free to ask. Subscribe to Fix Me Master for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!